In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to replace the scan engine of a C-Series scanner. First, gather the tools you'll need: a C-Series scanner, a Phillips screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and a plastic pry tool. Now that you've got your tools ready, let's get started. Locate the gap at the back of the scanner and carefully pry it open from that point. I'm using a plastic pry tool for this step. Since this scanner has been opened before, the process will be a bit easier to demonstrate. When opening the scanner housing, be sure to lift the top cover outward. This helps prevent damage to the internal clips from excessive force. As you open the casing completely, remember that the two halves are connected by a flex cable. Handle it gently to avoid tearing the ribbon. Start by unplugging the power cable, then carefully disconnect the remaining flex cables. Next, remove the 4 screws that secure the main board in place. Take note of the thin cable located here. There's no need to remove this cable. Now, lift the scanner main board out of the housing. Next, disconnect the flexible cable from the scanning engine. Flip the mainboard over and remove the 2 screws that hold the scanning engine in place. Remove the old scanning engine. When installing the new one, make sure the lens is oriented the same way as before and align the screw holes on the bottom with those on the mainboard. Reinsert the original screws to securely fasten the scanning engine. Now, start reconnecting all the flexible cables. Notice that the end of each flexible cable has a black latch. Pressing it down locks the cable securely in place. Reinstall the motherboard into the case. Reattach the 4 screws to secure the mainboard. Reconnect the remaining 2 flexible cables. Important: always connect the power cable last. Connecting it first could allow static electricity from your body to damage the mainboard. Once all steps are complete, you can reassemble the shell. Start from the head and work your way toward the tail. The scanning engine replacement is now complete. Thank you for watching.